this is my iPad, which has a bad battery. It lasts about 3 to 4 hours. Actually, sometimes less if I'm doing something intensive. It may only last about 2 hours. So replacing the battery on this iPad is kind of pricey. If I went to Apple, it's going to cost probably over $100. And then, it's an old iPad anyways, so spending that kind of money, even if let's say it's over $100, is worth it. So one thing that I'm trying is I'm using an external power bank to use with the iPad. There is definitely concerns about safety, so I'm not promoting this, but I'm trying it anyways because I'm assuming when this is fully charged at 100%, and I'm using the power bank too, there isn't too much load caused on the iPad to maintain the 100% versus if this was at 10% and I was using the power bank, it's probably a better idea to let it charge that way, because while it's charging, you probably shouldn't do anything. But the fact that I'm using it while it's 100%, that's my use case. So right now it's at 100%. It's at 100% while it's recharging. It's using the power that's in the power bank more so. It'll say it's charging, but I doubt there's too much charge happening. But I could be wrong. I'm not an electronics expert, and I don't, claim to be. That's why I'm mentioning a safety concern of doing this method. Best case scenario is, of course, replacing the internal battery. But in my case, I'm considering it's possible to use this power bank while I'm using the iPad under normal usage conditions, like watching YouTube or surfing the internet, stuff like that. So just wanted to bring it out there. And I've mentioned my concerns using it as sort of a replacement versus replacing the internal battery, but these power banks only cost like $10 to $20. This one is overkill at, what's it called? It's on the other side. 20,000 milliamp hours. I think after testing with this iPad, this is still at around 60%. So it's used about, let's say, 9,000 milliamp hours or 8,000. I'm assuming more like 10,000. When I go to battery and I go to last 10 days and I click on the current day, it uses about 6 hours. So that's pretty not too bad using an external power bank.